Hi, welcome back to Healable Molars. I am currently a student of certificate in health professions education from National University of Medical Sciences, Islamabad. And I have completed their first module, and their second module is going to start on 17th March. But the second module is about curriculum planning and evaluation. And now I am going to use artificial intelligence, specifically the Perplexity AI and Copilot AI, to know what is going to happen in the next courses. So here we can see there is a NAM certificate in health professions education. And now we are going to write a prompt in Perplexity AI. Here you can see the screen. I am going to write, I am doing a certification course in health professions education. It is really going to take a little bit of time. As you can see, I have opened another window of Microsoft Bing which I have written a little bit um, prompt that is slightly different from Perplexity AI, and it has given me a small answer. I am going to restart that thread. It is really enjoyable how fast the Perplexity AI is, but Microsoft Bing is sometimes slightly more technical and more focused, and the Bing AI, rather the Perplexity AI, gives you more results. So I am going to restart the Microsoft Bing thread, and you can see here I am going to switch to new thread. Here I am going to copy paste the same thing from Perplexity AI. You can see the funny things Perplexity AI is suggesting me to try to search. As you can see, there is also a pro option in Perplexity AI, which I will explain a little bit later. I also want to know what is going to happen in that module. How will they teach me? What will be the topics and the books required and the content? So I am going to write it all and copy paste it into the Bing window. And copy pasting, please bear with me the bad mouse pad that is causing the copy pasting problems. And now here I have opened another thread which I've also searched earlier. I like the results more which were done a minute ago, in which the Perplexity AI gave me American medical education educators results. I liked it a little bit more rather than the results we are going to get today. Now we can see it is showing me learning outcome, theoretical understanding, curriculum design, quality assurance. And now I am going to see on the other side, it is giving me systems thinking. The Bing is giving me system thinkings and whatnot. I do not understand what is that. Personal level 3P characteristics, program level 6C characteristics. And you can see Perplexity AI is giving me more sources, and Bing is going only on British Medical Education, Council of Medical Education, and CDC of America. Now we are going to see more results of Perplexity AI. It is going to give me the same answer on Bing again. We are going to see assignments will be about critical evaluation and these things. But it is more generalized in Perplexity AI, and Bing is repeating the same answer. Now we are going to change the thread. Promoting lifelong learning. We also know about practice level integration. What will you do practice level integration in curriculum development? We are going to try some other questions. Let me think. Yeah, I want to try to make another question. Let me get another thread. See, I have done another thread 13 minutes ago. which has American Medical Education Educators AMEE references. I like that more. There is a mushroom thread which was searched by my son. He is really into using mushrooms on pizza we make, so that's that. And they are not the mushrooms used by for recreational purposes. You can see AMEE here. And I really liked it so much that I wanted to minimize the Bing results. Yeah, the main topics covered here will be core design, pedagogy, learning, theory, assessment, and leadership. Now it is showing the key principles. This is the earlier topic, and now we are going to make some more questions on it. Bing is still going on the same systems thinking, soft thinking. Suggest study resources. Yes, we are going to look about the things which are like books or any videos on any articles or Coursera topics or edX topics, videos and courses. So let's see what is going to tell us. And we will copy paste this as well into Microsoft Bing. See here. It is again saying 6-step approach. Now it has told us the name. John Hopkins developed 6 AMA PRA category 1 credits. It showed me a book. Now Perplexity AI is really more relevant. It is showing understanding medical equation. I also got this book from a friend that is back in Finland. Thanks to him for that. And same answers again, really. Bing is giving me the same answers. Now we also have Oxford textbook of medical education. I would think it will be a little bit more advanced in the number 2 curriculum development for medical education. It will be a little bit more advanced. So I am telling Bing that I like this answer, but it is a little bit more technical again, going on systems thinking, curriculum design, the same thing. Let's ask more questions. Yes. What are the main topics covered? Yeah, this is a good question. Learning theories, learning situation, task, and need analysis. Yes, it is. I have read about this in Understanding Medical Education book. All the copyrights are reserved by the names I have taken in this, and you can see the Bing is giving me answer. This is Masab Hamid, and now on the funnier side, you